Hi guys, it's Miss Travers. As I've started marking your essays from Unit 1, Activity 1, Assignment 2, I wanted to show you how you can see your grades. So I'm impersonating one of the students in our class, and I've shown what his content page would look like. If you want to start seeing grades, they will be under the grades folder. So as you hand in assignments and as I mark them and hand them back, that they will have both a grade and some feedback. So this is what I can type in there to give you an idea. The rubrics aren't great at attaching themselves to you here, but the rubrics are in the assignment so that you know what is expected, but it doesn't necessarily attach it to you. The other thing that I like to do is not just give you feedback in terms of anecdotal and written comments as well as a grade, is that I also mark on my iPad. So many of you, when you hand it in, either in PDF form or Google form, I can actually mark on it using my iPad. And that's my preferred method because it's much like me and my old habits of marking on paper that I can give comments that way. So if you want to see those, I can't do it with everybody's because sometimes if it's a Word document, it won't let me edit it, but I can still give you this and I can give you feedback. If you want to see the assignment with the feedback that it hands back to you, or you want to see the PDF copy, is you can go into Dropbox, and beside it you can see the mark as well as the feedback. So I'm going to click on that to show you what I often see. You'll get a PDF back. So that was the original file. So you can see that you put it in the drop-in. I also can take this time to show you that I use turnitin.com. When you hand it in, it automatically checks it with Turnitin, which is a program that they often use in universities to check if you've plagiarized any information or copied someone else's work. So if anyone has ever handed it in on turnitin.com, then we can check for. If it was in the red, then it would have some questions attached to it. This one does not. So here's the original attachment, and down here are the feedback pieces that I've given, and I just wanted to show that to you. So when I go through, I can mark on it. So these were some things that I had. I was underlining things, circling things, and these are actually comment boxes. If you scroll to the bottom, so it has them numbered based on page and number of comment, and then you scroll to the bottom, here are the comments here as to what I was saying about those. Sometimes it's easier than marking up here if I have longer things that I want to say, or I'm just pointing out to you what exactly you should be working on. Sometimes it's positive comments, sometimes it's things to work on. So in this course, there's many ways that I give you feedback. You can ask for feedback during emails. I was giving feedback during the discussion post on the essay. I give anecdotal and grades in terms of handing the assignment back, but the additional is to actually hand it back marked up so that you can work to get better. So that was in the Dropbox tab, and I just clicked on the view. If you don't see this here, it means that I either wasn't able to write on it or there wasn't comments that I could put on the page to hand back to you. So that's how you can keep track of your grades and making sure that you've handed everything in.